watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the video. Because I don't know everybody. I sent it to me. The video of the females them getting into a brawl. And them gang up on a beat a girl. Last I heard she was about 14. Real ugly scenes. I'm not going to talk about it. Because you want to give her a couple of days. You look at time for make the hype dead off. Because when the thing fresh, everybody woke. Same Jamaicans who might have orgasms to, death and destruction and violence, they love it. And let me tell you, say, if a girl listen and do exactly what you see in the video. But when the story fresh, everybody's so woke and everybody is Mother Teresa and Gandhi. Right? Oh, we need to stop this, and that is not right. That's what you love. So me give you a couple of days, make the fake wokeness blow off. No time for the real ugly reality. I tell it to Ironman, right? Culture that's acidic of a culture of violence. The first solution to everything in Ironman is violence. A cultural attitude. Right. Notice in an Ironman, as soon as something happens, the next thing you hear, somebody have to dead. If somebody go in one building to buy one food and then you say chicken done, then go to buy a chicken and then you say chicken done, next thing you hear, that's why people dead in the dog. Everything, the next step is that's why people dead. Right? No matter how sim, if people just listen. We don't have to listen, that's the problem why the masses get led astray, because we don't sit and listen. We don't have to sit and listen. Just listen to how Jamaicans speak. Any issue that arises, the next thing you hear afterwards is this is why I have to kill people, this is why man have to dead, this is why people have to bust up. There is no 10 steps, right? There's no step 1, step 2, step 3, and then we're doing a 10th step, them say alright, somebody have to dead. It is issue arise, then the next thing you hear, this is why people dead in the dog. Right. Just listen and open the eyes, but of course, too busy consumed with low vibration entertainment and gimmicks. You actually using the eye them properly. That's the next step. If a man carry go and car wash, and time he come back, him see the man never wash between the rims them. He say, yo, you never wash between the rims them, no. Yo, that's how they dead in the dog. That's how they dead in the. The next step is death. That is a cultural attitude. Don't worry, one day only will catch up. The masses are the last to react to everything. We'll catch up one day. I understand how culture works. Violence is the next solution. I love it. Man, cut the crap. Oh my God, I can't believe what I say. You can't believe what you see? That is Iron Man. Remember the case, Kayla and Dowdy? When them say 5 hours, we don't know how much woman say beat her. Bully woman gang and beat her. Looking at the video, it's like a remake. And this happen every day in Iron Man. That's why I'm telling you, the whole, the violence against the women. Talk about the violence against women being committed by other women. The narrative that the Jamaican male, all men are some dirty dog who just kick them and kill a man. As if the average Jamaican female is this quiet, timid little character walking around being battered and bruised. Jamaican woman they rough too. Rougher than the man them sometimes. That right, this is what you call real gang and beat. When I say no little timid little princess right there, so. That the brutish behavior when you see right there, so. Happens every day right across the board. But we know it's all about narratives. For years, they've ignored female violence and female brutish behavior. When them say stop the violence against women, them a talk about from a man. Them a talk about woman beating woman. Woman beat woman. Woman go for their friend and quote unquote go beat the girl every day. Kick down, bust up face, stab up, fling acid pan. Only don't care because it doesn't fit into the narrative. It's just that the catch pan camera and only can't hide it. Kayla and Dolly was the same. Beaten into a coma. Beaten. Till at one point, she don't even know her hand then from her foot. Last I heard, she was recovering. And whenever these things come on, people always say, right, for show you how confused they are, Mr. People every day say, well, I want you with the girl if you beat her, come and know, maybe she do something, she must do something because they won't just beat her. So, again, female privilege. If a group of men was beating a woman, what she do no matter. Well, if not listen to me. If 5 male brutes were beating like a 14-year-old girl, even them catch her thief milk out of them coffee, it wouldn't matter. They may say you gone too far and they shouldn't. People that say they want to hear what the girl do. What she do, they wouldn't just beat her so. Why they be the rough? Rough as Mr. Minister, no little timid princess right there so. Them the little timid princess that when they claim say in a house with man, right, and they're just these sweet little innocent damsels and the same enough of the woman that fling and lick on that girl at the same enough of the woman that fling and lick on man. Right, me telling you said abuse in the Jamaican home is rampant, but they only care about man to woman abuse. They don't care about woman to woman or woman to man. They did a study in Uncle Sam's place and they did one in Europe and it shows say, right, the prevalence of abuse in woman to woman relationship had a higher rate than in man to woman relationship. Woman was beating woman at a higher rate than man beat woman. Go look for yourself. But no one hear that. Don't fit the narrative. Society runs a narrative. Society does not run on fact, it runs a narrative. Man them a kill after woman, all women soon dead. Women are more likely to be killed than men. Poverty causes murder. These are all narratives, false narratives. The Jamaican female is not, right, an endangered species. It is the most endangered species in Ireland, right, is the young male. That's who is most likely to dead. Right. Man are at greater risk that the chances of a man dying, whether from gunshot or even natural, is higher than woman. But the narrative is that females are an endangered species who are about to be wiped out and we need to come together to stop women because man them are going to kill after all of the woman them. It is rubbish, but it is accepted rubbish because society runs a narrative. That's why nobody cares about men. Because your whole life you've been hearing about the turmoil of the Jamaican woman. The Jamaican woman is more literate than the Jamaican male. They tell you that the Jamaican patriarchy, I don't know where did that come from because Jamaican men hardly have any power, especially black Jamaican men. But apparently they have all this power to hold on the woman when if you do basic research, you will see there's only about 5 countries in the world where your boss is most likely to be a woman and Jamaica one of them. The Jamaican female has a higher literacy rate than the Jamaican male. Yui is way tilted towards woman than man. Jamaican women are winning and them nah. But if you tell them that, they will screw up them face and spit in their eye. Even though they play direct roles, right, in not only aiding and abetting, but sending man to go fight and kill for them problem. But they hardly get killed in these gang wars because man go kill man, the man go jail, man go kill back the next one. Right? It don't matter. Right? It's narratives. Nobody checked female brutish behavior. This video, right, is not an anomaly. Happens every day across the length and breadth of Ireland. But them want to know what the little girl do while get kicked down instead of talking about what them talk about. In the video, you see this first it look like a picnic fight. You're like, oh dear, here we go, picnic and them squabbles. Right, but then over the peer head lick. So we keep expect. Every time them 12-year-old and 13-year-old fight and beat up each other and the video go viral, only say them picnic. I'm telling you say, I will not hold children to a higher standard than adults. In that video, did you see any adults being any different from the children them? Did you see any adults acting any better than the 13, 14-year-old them? The Jamaican adult is not no peacemaker. Jamaican adult is not no master of conflict resolution, so why would picnic be? Adults can't solve basic issues, the simplest of conflicts, between adults lead to death. But we expect, right, 12-year-old and 13-year-old to do it. One affair like them must be equivalent to being hit by a JUTC bus. And all the time police come lock them up, them in the back of the police van and laugh and celebrate. These are brutes. And no one call a spade because them have neagle eye. All the time the police lock them up, them in the back of the van and laugh. That was a day's work, all in a day's work. Ganging and beating, right, a 14-year-old girl to dust. Me see all like all hair pop out her head. Brutes. In the back of the police van and laugh. I want to see them thing that won't call a spade a spade. Jamaica has a culture of violence. The first, after the initial problem, the next step is violence. There is no 10 step, no 20 step to violence. In Ironman, it's the next step. Just listen carefully, man. The next thing a man say after the issue arises, that's why when you dead, it immediately go to death. Them women in the back of the police one, they be out by the end of the week. If that. Back on the corner laugh. And they say, beat the girl and we all go viral. By the way, them type of woman they breed and nurture 87s. It's like a factory. And because them type of woman, you see how brutish they are, imagine how for them son have act. They're for them boy pitney is just as right, emotionally unstable as them. Except him have man strength. And if him show any kind of quote unquote weakness, right, them breed that all time, them stamp that all time. By the time he grew up him a monster too. Anywhere you go and see in a city community, you will see be a woman and be a pitney. In other video where you see be a females. Females, and even time when you see any kind of quote unquote males, they're often effeminate. Them they are, yeah, them love it too, just like the girl pitney them. No masculine energy. Anytime you see them video, just watch her. Be a girl, be a woman, and the boy them ready there, because it's often a boy, hardly any men. And the boy ready there, him not behave no different, right, from none of the girl pitney them. Nobody expect him to do it. I tried to. Trust me, I've seen enough of them videos, I know. Enough of them, because I'm not talking about most of them, but I've seen enough of these videos. Post some of them videos on Patreon, and the same thing. Look, this woman. And don't forget the point I raised earlier about these type of females. Right, help nurture. Right, acidic males. Enough of the man them only complain about. See, whenever a woman said them type of man nowadays different. You know why you don't like the modern Jamaican man? I'm gonna really offend you right now. Irie woman, you know why you don't have a problem with the Jamaican male? When you say modern Jamaican man different and modern Jamaican man and a real man. You know why you don't like the modern Jamaican man? Because I want to raise them. They're you don't like your own products. You nurtured and developed something you hate. Remember when I used to run one and say, right, we don't need no follow Uncle Sam narrative. We don't need no man. I'm independent. I can do it by myself. Come and own money. How was that worked out for you? How was that worked out for you? Somebody sent me a post for you on a popular page of a woman offering to pay somebody, pay a man for their own her son. Talk to him. Pay. It was like an ad. Can you post this and pay a man X amount of money to make him come there with my son and try like help grow him? I couldn't believe at this reach woman off of pay a strange man to play a father role. When their son one time just 10 years ago me like you say woman independent, you don't need a man. And when you have your money, everything good. Money, you think money can help you? You think money can help you, especially with boy pitney? You think when boy pitney start rampage, your job can help you? I remember back in the day when we used to laugh off of Uncle Sam pitney them, you know. True story. I remember back in the day when we used to go Uncle Sam place and go out certain places in Europe, you know, it's by the Jamaicans them directly, enough up. Right? And we used to laugh off a foreign pitney, you know. We used to laugh off a foreign pitney and laugh off a foreign parents and say, boy, look on them pitney, man. Would never be Iron Man pitney. Like a mother in a Walmart and the pitney there. And the mother is there, can you just stop? Can you just stop, please? Can you just... I used to laugh. I said, I couldn't hire man pitney. Like them foreign pitney, them parents can't control. I hate you, man, shut up! I used to laugh. I said, you must be mad, I couldn't hire man pitney. No, the hire man. You see them in the supermarket, you see them all over the place, I walk up and down. Can't even talk to them pitney. I said stop! I said stop! Pitney does a laugh. On top of nice, man. Pitney tell the mother, say, oh, shut up on top of nice. Move on right or so. He's the Iron Man. Iron Man Pitney, who used to be world renowned for them discipline. Even in the heights of the... Come remember them tell us poverty cause no for this. One time Iron Man Pitney never even have socks to put on their foot before going at the shoes. Them that have the most manners. Right? Don't make nobody go tell your mother say you disrespect them pan. If you make nobody go tell your parents say them see you come from school and you talk to you this, don't make that reach back a yard. Matter of fact, this video is misogynistic. Recording women carrying out acts of violence is misogynistic. And this is further proof that society hates women and trying to hold on women. That doesn't make sense, but who cares about sense? How many times have I tell them nations are not built out in, it's in out, meaning say it don't go from the nation level to the community level to the home level. A nation is just a collection of communities and homes. That's it. That's all a nation is. A weak nation is full of weak communities and weak homes. Strong nations are full of strong communities and strong homes. This is why I'm telling you that when you're in trouble looking for some kind of savior to come help you. Some savior politician will come out of the heavens, right, and come help you. And if the home and the community don't get fixed, dog, them want to suffer. How can you maintain order with a setup like this? It is virtually impossible, even especially if you can't talk to them. When I see the boy them and the man them a war, at least we can chalk it up to testosterone and men being, Lego beasts, cause that's the imagery of a man, Lego beasts as well. But when you see the fairer sex, remember, women, the females are supposed to be the fairer, softer, gentler of the two. When you see the woman them just as brutish, and in some cases it's even more, kinda dark. Them say 2 bulls can't reel in 1 pen. So if man rough like a bull and woman like rough like a bull, then the nation have to change its name to Scotch Bright. Everybody rough. Supposed to, the things are the man them out there war and the woman them come out there. Stop it, babe, stop the, don't do that. Them days are done, my youth. Right now if 2 men are fight and woman come out there, she tell them say, yo, stop the boy, kill him. There's no balance. I already know say no few are quote unquote bad because they might try and impress for these acidic females, by the way. These brutes say so you think you can show them any kind of weakness? Do you think a Jamaican man who lie down with any of them women here can show them any kind of softness? He might be tough 24/7 to keep getting access to the nigga line. He might be impressed with him toughness and roughness. Because no softness in a she don't want a softness in you. But who don't want to talk about them? Who want to talk about? Well, maybe we need to find out what happened between the girl. Find out? So we only want to find out when time the attacker is a female. There'll be nothing to find out here, so. If it's 5-6 man beat a girl until her ear tear out her head. Stamp her out to nothing. Brutes. Call a spade a spade. Call a spade a spade. The groups that say them love and protect women and all them things and love and protect children, they get 2 for 1. One of them. These fake woke groups, right, which are usually infested by sprats, by the way. Most of these sprat infested fake woke groups, because if you don't know, if you look at Uncle Sam place and then know Iron Man, you see enough of these groups that claim that they're human rights activists and all them things there, you will see, right, there's a strong collusion between them and sprats. There's always some funny looking sprat talking about why them stand up for gender rights when really these people are misandrists. All me I say is, until we start having real conversations, we can't fix real issues. Anyway, let me rest that one right up now. I believe one of you go into why did this and who did there with who and who that take for man and who that fight. Only can't talk about them, Pandy. Because that's only really interesting in the juicy details. Around the juicy part. Oh yeah, that, yeah, that part, you know. I mean, I said the girl, take the girl, man. Alright, only can focus, man. Have fun. Anyway, Patreon squad, you open yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.